Okay, guys, this is me. Kelsey doesn't like it because she's too ugly to. She doesn't want to be in the camera. She just doesn't want to be in the.
Ready with me?
Okay. I don't know. Use that. Don't know why Kelsey doesn't like it.
Are you done with your fidgets?
No. Right. Sorry about that. This is part 2 of talking fidgets. So, yeah. Part 2. Okay. I think we shall be friends together. Yep. I think we should be friends together. Yeah, I hope I don't get traded because she uses me a lot of times. Well, yeah. She's also gonna pick me. I'm not her favorite now. Don't say that. She plays with you so many times. Not me. Stop fighting. Shut up. Look, she's coming. Who should I trade again? I should trade 2 people. Rubik's Cube and Pop Cube. No. Yeah, I'm gonna trade them. So much better. Hi, I'm Water Timer. And I'm Ninja Star Squishy. It's nice to meet you guys. It's really nice to meet you. Wow, I like you, Water Timer. Oh my gosh, I like you too. Come back. 3. Bye, guys. Want to see what the fidgets look like? Look, these are what they look like. Look. I'm using this for my third part of talking fidgets. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Yeah. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.